everyone, welcome back to my channel Tutelage, a guide to learner. Here, this is Sriparna. I hope all of you are doing well. So today we are going to discuss one of the most important chapter of UGC Net exam, that is mathematical aptitude and reasoning. Okay, so this chapter on reasoning includes such topics that is coding, decoding, blood relations, direction, series, and most importantly mathematical reasoning. Today we are going to explain only the mathematical reasoning portion, and you all know mathematical reasoning basically includes the different types of problems of mathematics. Okay, so today we are going to discuss some problem for basically. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tutelage, a guide to learner. Here, this is Sriparna. I hope all of you are doing well. So today we are going to discuss one of the most important chapter of UGC Net paper 1, that is mathematical aptitude and reasoning. So we all know this chapter on reasoning includes such topics coding, decoding, blood relations, direction, series, and most importantly mathematical reasoning. And you all know mathematical reasoning includes such type of problems, that is fraction, speed, distance, time, calendar related problems, average, etc., etc. So here we are going to explain only the calendar related problems today. Okay, so we have already discussed the basic information and the golden tips which are basically used to solve the calendar related problems. So if you have missed my previous session, so please go and check it once. My previous session link is mentioned in my first comment and my description box. So please go and check it once. Okay, so learner, move on to the next slide and let's start the session. So here we can see which topic, which problems are basically related to the basic mathematical reasoning portion, that is age related problems, calendar related problems, ratio, percentage, proportions, average, speed, distance, time, fractions, profit and loss, interest and discounting. So today's topic is basically the calendar related programs. So now going to the main slide. So here we can see our first problem of calendar related problem. So the first problem, that is 1st January 1995 was a Sunday. Okay. So what day of the week falls on 1st January 1996? And you all know that all questions has all questions have four options always. So here we can see our four options for this particular problem, that is Sunday, Monday, Wednesday and Saturday. And here we can see our correct solution or the correct answer for this particular question, that is Monday, that is option number B. Now move on to the next slide for solution of this problem. So here this is the solution for the first problem. So we all know 1 minute, 1995, 1st January 1995 was Sunday, and what day of the week falls on 1st January 1996? So we all know 1996 is basically the leap year, but 1995 is not the leap year. It is an ordinary year. Okay, so just a minute learner, just change the color. Okay, so 1995, this is the ordinary year, and we all know that ordinary or the normal year has 52 weeks and 1 odd day, because total day of the total days of a normal year, that is 365 days. So 52 weeks plus one odd day. Okay, so learner, here we can see 1st January 1995 was Sunday. Okay, so 1995 is an ordinary year, so that indicates one odd day. Okay, so we all know from the given chart in my previous session, so please go and check it once. I think it will really help you a lot. Okay, so now move on to the previous session slide. Okay, learner, here we can see the chart, that is 0 number of odd day is indicates Sunday, 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, 3 is Wednesday, 4 is Thursday, 5 is Friday, and 6 is Saturday. So that's why 1, because this year is basically an ordinary year, so that's why 1 indicates Monday. So that's why Monday is the correct answer. uh, this is clear from the given chart. Option 2 is the correct answer for this particular question. So now move on to the next problem. So here we can see the second problem, that is following the current calendar, what will be the day of the week of 1st January 2010? Okay, so 2010 is the leap year. Okay, so this is a leap year. No, 2010 is not the leap year. So here we can see the 4 options: Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and the correct answer, that is Friday. So now going to the solution slide, and here we can see, so we have to calculate the first the day of 2010 January, the 1st January 2010. Okay, so till 2000 we have 0 odd days, we all know, because 400, 600, 800, 1200, 1600 years have 0 odd days, and this thing we have already discussed in my last session on mathematical reasoning. So if you have missed my previous session on uh, calendar series tips, so now, so learner, it is clear why option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, so now move on to the next problem. So here we can see our next problem, that is following the current calendar, what will be the day of the week of 1st January 2010? And for this problem we have 4 options as usual: Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So the correct solution or correct answer, that is Friday, that means option number A. So now move on to the next slide, and where we can see the actual solution for this problem. So now going to the next one. So 2010 1st January. Okay, so we have to calculate the day of 1st January 2010. Okay, so from the given chart in my previous session on calendar series problem, that's why we have already mentioned 400 years, 600 years, 800 years, 1200 years, 1600 years, and 2000 years have 0 odd days. If you have missed my previous session, so please go and check previous sessions. Links is available in my first comment and my description box. So please go and check it once. Okay. So till 2000 we have 0 odd days. Okay. Now going to the next line, that is 1 minute learner, just change the color. Okay, so till 2009, so it is also difficult. Sorry, is the basic problem of color. Okay, so till 2009 we have 11 odd days. Okay, so up to 2000 we have 0 odd day, until 2009 I think 9 years have 11 odd days because every ordinary year has one odd day and every leap year has two odd days. So that's why for 9 years from 2000 to 2009 we have 11 odd days. Okay, so when 11 odd days is dividing by 7, so we get 4 as remainder. So calculating 4, so that's why we have to calculate 4 days from Monday. uh, so 1st January 2010. Okay, so from going to the from we have to start calculation from Monday. Okay, so Monday, uh, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So that's why we get Friday on 1st January 2010, and option number A is the correct answer. So I think this is clear. Up to 2000, we have 0 odd day. That means Sunday. Okay. So till 2009, from 2000 to 2001 to 2009, we have 11 odd days. So we have to divide 11 odd days by 7 for getting number of weeks. Okay. So we get 4 as remainder. So that's why we have to calculate 4 days from Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, from Sunday basically, because 2000 up to 2000 we have 0 odd days. So that means we all know from these previous sessions given chart, 0 odd days basically indicates the Sunday. Okay, so after Sunday we have 4. So as remainder, so that's why after Sunday, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So now after 4 days, that is fifth day basically, that is Friday. Okay, so we get Friday on 1st January 2010. So that's why option A is the correct answer. Now going to the next problem. Here we can see our next problem, that is on January 12, 1980. It was Saturday. So the day of the week on January 12, 1971, just the previous year, was Saturday, Friday, Sunday or Thursday. So here we can see the correct solution, that is Saturday. So now move on to the next slide for the solution of this problem. So here we can see the year 1979 is basically an ordinary year. So that's why we all know uh, one ordinary year equals to 52 weeks plus one odd day. Okay, so the day on the 12th January 1980 is one day beyond on the day 12th January 1979. So January 12th, 1980 was Saturday. So that's why January 12th, 1979 was Friday, just the previous day, because 1979 is an ordinary year and it has one odd day. So option number A, this is basically a wrong, because Friday is the correct answer. So option number this is wrong. So option number B is the correct answer. So January 12th, 1979 was Friday. I think this is clear. So now move on to the next problem. So on what dates of April 1995 did Sunday fall? So there are four options: 2, 9, 16, 23, 30, or 3, 10, 17, 24, 4, 11, 18, 25. And now going to the last option, that is 1, 8, 15 and 22. So what is the correct answer? So now going to the next slide for the solution. So 1995, what dates of April 1995 did Sunday fall? Okay, so uh, 1993 basically, uh, 1 minute. 1993 basically complete years 16 plus 300 plus 93. So that means 16 plus 300 because 93 indicates 23 leap years and 70 ordinary years. Okay, we all know 100 years equals to 76 ordinary years and 24 leap years. So that's why 93 indicates 23 leap years and only 70 ordinary years. So 16 years have 0 odd day. We have already given from this chart. 300 years indicates 1 odd day, that's why plus 1. 23 leap year, so each leap year has 2 odd days. So 23 into 2, that means uh, 50 sorry 46, and 70 ordinary years, each ordinary year has 1 odd day, that means 70 into 1, which is equals to 70. So 0 plus 1 plus 46 plus 70, so that is equals to 117 odd days, and we have to divide 117 odd days by 7 because we have to get the number of weeks. That's why 117 is divided by 7 because 1 week equals to 7 days. So 117 odd days equals to 16 weeks plus 5 odd days. 1993 the complete years, and these indicate 16 weeks plus 5 odd days. Okay, so 5 odd days indicates Friday. So that's why 1st January 1994 was Friday, because 0 indicates Sunday, 1 indicates Monday, 2 indicates Tuesday, 3 indicates Wednesday, 4 indicate Thursday, and 5 odd days indicates Friday, and we have already discussed in my previous session, so please go and check my previous session. Okay, so we have to calculate the day of April 1st 1994. Okay, so 1st January 1994 was Friday. Okay, so January, February, and March have 303 odd days respectively. Why? What is the total month? What is the total days of January? That is 31. Okay, so 31 divided by 7. 7 into 4, 28. So that means remainder we get 3 as remainder. So that's why 3 January month, the month January indicates 3 odd days. February has 1994 is a leap year, so that's why February has 28 days. So 28 is divided by 4, sorry, 28 is divided by 7, so that indicates uh, 7 into 4, which is 28, 7 into 4, which is 28, so that's why we get 4 weeks plus 0 odd day. So that's why February indicate 0 odd day. And now going to the March, and March has 31 days. So uh, for getting the number of week, uh, 31 is divided by 7 and we get 3 as remainder, so that's why March has 3 odd days. I think this is clear. January, February, March have 303 odd days. So 3 plus 0 plus 3, that means 6 odd days. So April 1st is a Thursday. Okay, because April 1st is a Thursday. Why? Because April 4 is a Sunday. Okay, so our question is 19. Sorry, it's a big mistake. So this is This is not a 1995, this is 1994. Okay, so 1994 did the Sunday fall. Okay, so Sunday, so April 1st April is a Thursday. So 1st April Thursday means April 4 Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So 2, 3, 4. So April 4 is a Sunday. Clear? So April 4 is a Sunday. That means the week starts with 4th April. I think this is clear. So 4th April is Sunday. So that's why the option number C, 4, 11, 18, 25 is the correct answer. Okay, I think this is clear. Why option C is the correct answer. So if you have any doubt on it, so please do one comment in my comment section. I will reply you positively. So learner, we are done for the today's session. If you like my session, so do one like, comment and share with your near ones. Please do subscribe my channel. Your comment is one of the most important key to motivate us. So please stay with me. Thank you. Keep commenting.